all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we're going to be getting on with our Lamborghini Miura build. So we are going to do stage 75 of pack 10 of the Lamborghini Miura. Now this is the first stage of pack 10 and I've looked through it and it looks quite exciting actually in this pack. We've got some electronics to do. We're going to be actually putting some of the pieces of the car together that we've been building separately. So hopefully by the end of this pack, it's going to look rather interesting, this Lamborghini Miura. Now, I've tried to change things around a little bit. I am bringing in another camera. It's not set up yet, but I'm hopefully going to get it set up soon. And with that camera, I should be able to zoom in and up and down, hopefully making the builds easier to see and a lot better. And it's a 4K camera as well, so hopefully the quality should be a lot better. I've also changed the place of the microphone. It was behind me here, but it really wasn't picking up my voice at all when I'm recording, when I'm doing this to camera. So I've moved it right now in front of me and I'm looking at my mic settings on OBS and everything is looking fantastic. So happy days on that one. So hopefully a few more improvements. But anyway, enough of that. Let's get on with today's build. So let's do stage 75 of the Lamborghini Miura. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay guys, stage 75 is installing the fuel pumps and the front frame reinforcement plates. Okay, so we're using the parts we get in this stage, which is great. Always like to see that. So the first thing we need to do is we've got these parts here, just like that. And we need to bring what we've been working, well, quite a while on now, because we're actually going to fit these into place. So it's saying, now there's no left and right on these, which is a little bit, yeah. But it's saying it wants this one putting into place first of all. So this is the right one. And that's just going to slot in, hopefully. Got some tabs down at the bottom and some tabs down at the top to push it in with. Just like so. Then we need to do the left side. So nice push fit, I've got to say. It's nice and tight in there. Okay, so that's in place. And that's correct. The next thing we need is we need this bracket here. And we need these, which are the fuel pumps, I believe. And we need to install these onto here. Now it's a little bit which way these go on, because it's like that bit on the bracket there, and then they go onto this side, but it doesn't actually say which way they go on. Whether it's that way around, or whether it's the other way around. I'm just looking, because there is a difference between that side there and that side there. So I think they go with that pin there. These are going to go on. Let's hope I'm correct. So we'll put these on. So one in there. Try and match them up to the way they have them in the instructions. Okay, and that one in there, just like that. Okay, so the next thing we've got to do is we've got some pipe work to do. That's all in here, so I'll get that all out. I know pipe work's not my favourite, but it has to be done. Okay, so we've got two of these to make up. All the pipes are the same size, so it doesn't matter how this is done. So we've got this little Y here, and we need to put a pipe on to there, one of the small pipes, and then another one at the other side. So like that. They're going on nice and easy. Easier than the Rossi. Do the same on the other side. So one on there. and then one on there, and then we put one on here, just like that, so one of the long ones, and then another long one just on to here. So we should have two identical pipes. Okay, so we're going to put these now onto our fuel pumps, and these are literally going to go on. So we've got this white one here, it's going to go on one side onto each pipe. Now, pipes on the end of these are a little bit bigger than the pipes on this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bob a cocktail stick in there, just open them up, so just like that. Okay, I'm going to do the same on the other, and I'm hoping when I get round to the first one I've done, that will be wide enough to get these on the pumps. Okay, so I learnt a lot of this with the Rossi. So let's try this now. So that's one off. Let's try and get that on. And that trick works perfectly. So just warm it up in my fingers. Oh, that's come off the end of that Y. And then we'll get the other end on. Just like that. So that's what that should look like. We're going to repeat the same on the bottom. That's one on there. Take this one off here. And put one on there just like so. So I can put them cocktail sticks back now. Bob them into there. Next we are going to be installing this onto the vehicle. So this is going to be going on. We've got two holes just down there. This is going to be going on. Right, okay, this could be... Oh, it's not too bad. Not too bad at all. It is a bit of a funny one to fit. In fact, I'm going to take that off, fit this in. I'm not a fan of pins, you know I'm not. Okay, so that's in. Then I'll reattach this. I think that's definitely the easier way of doing that. Okay, so that's now reattached. So next what we need to do is we need to direct these pipes. Now we've got two holes just down here. So if we put the bottom pipe, that's going to go around and that's going to go in just like that. And that one's going to go around and that one's going to go in just like that. So both them pipes are in, and that's exactly what it's looking like in the instructions. Where's that come from? Oh goodness, where's that come from? Oh, it's alright, it's only come from the front. It's one of them tie rod things for there. If that becomes a pain, I will glue them in. But that is all there is to do in this stage. So that's what we're left with. That's the fuel pumps installed. And yeah, I've just noticed one of the horns has come loose, so I'll fix that as well when I stop recording. But that is stage 75 complete. Well guys, that's it for stage 75 of the Lamborghini Miura. Thank you for tuning in. Yeah, not a lot to do on that one, to be perfectly honest with you. Working with them little fuel pumps and pipes. The pipes weren't too bad, not as bad as the Rossi, but yeah, that was a bit of a not much to do stage really. I do know in this build, in this pack, there is quite a bit to do coming up, so I think we'll just take the easy ones we're really glad we got the easy ones. So yeah. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please could you give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell and be notified of any future videos. But as for always, stay safe and bye for now.